In Harmonic Science, we continue our essential guide to achieving optimal blood sugar balance. This segment focuses specifically on the powerful foods that naturally lower blood sugar levels, a crucial aspect for everyone, and especially vital for individuals managing diabetes. Understanding these dietary choices can significantly impact your health journey. The strategic inclusion of protein, healthy fats, and a variety of nutrient-dense foods is key to rebuilding your metabolic rhythm. These elements work synergistically to slow down glucose absorption into the bloodstream, effectively reduce systemic inflammation throughout the body, and restore a sense of harmony and balance to your internal systems, all without the need for restrictive diets. Today, we're going to delve deeper into these incredible healing powerhouses, exploring how each food group contributes to better blood sugar control and overall well-being. Prepare to discover the natural allies in your journey towards metabolic health. Protein is absolutely essential for blood sugar management. Foods like eggs, various types of fish, tofu, a wide range of beans, and lean meats play a critical role. They significantly slow the entry of glucose into your bloodstream, help you feel fuller for longer periods, and optimize the release of insulin, which is vital for sugar regulation. Healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in foods such as avocados, a variety of nuts, diverse seeds, and high-quality olive oil, are incredibly beneficial. These fats do not raise blood sugar levels. Instead, they enhance insulin utilization, calm your digestive system, and provide a steady, sustained energy release, preventing those undesirable energy spikes and subsequent crashes. This intricate balance of fiber, protein, and healthy fats is far more than just a passing dietary trend. It's deeply rooted in our biology. It echoes the ancient, time-tested ways of eating that have sustained human health for centuries. This approach aligns with our body's natural design for optimal function. By reintroducing this fundamental balance into your daily diet, you'll notice profound improvements. Your mood will stabilize, your energy levels will remain sustained throughout the day, and your cells will begin to repair and regenerate more effectively, ultimately bringing about a profound sense of metabolic peace and overall well-being. Leafy greens, including nutrient-rich spinach, robust kale, and versatile broccoli, act as powerful metabolic guardians. They are exceptionally rich in magnesium, a mineral crucial for efficient insulin transport, and packed with antioxidants that actively protect your blood vessels from damage, contributing to long-term cardiovascular health. Incorporating a generous daily intake of these leafy greens can significantly lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. They add substantial volume to your meals, promoting satiety without contributing to unwanted sugar spikes, making them an ideal choice for managing blood sugar effectively. Berries, such as vibrant blueberries, tart raspberries, and sweet strawberries, offer a wealth of sweet wisdom through their high content of polyphenol. These compounds work to slow nutrient absorption and boost insulin sensitivity. Furthermore, their natural fiber content effectively counters their inherent sugars, leading to calm and stable glucose levels. Whole grains like hearty oats, protein-rich quinoa, and nutritious barley provide essential dietary integrity. The beta-glucans found in oats form a gel in the digestive system, slowing down nutrient release and improving cholesterol levels. Quinoa, in particular, adds valuable protein and magnesium, both crucial for regulated insulin function. Legumes, encompassing nourishing lentils, various beans, and versatile chickpeas, are powerhouses of nutrition. They are abundant in protein, dietary fiber, and resistant starch, which serves as vital fuel for beneficial gut bacteria. Regular consumption has been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of diabetes by over 30%. These incredible legumes act as a slow-burning fuel source for your body, providing sustained energy and promoting even hunger control throughout the day. This helps prevent sudden cravings and supports stable blood sugar levels, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Fermented foods, including unsweetened yogurt, probiotic-rich kefir, flavorful kimchi, and versatile tempeh, play a crucial role in balancing the intricate gut glucose connection. They enhance overall metabolism through their beneficial probiotic content, fostering a healthier gut microbiome and improved blood sugar regulation. Herbs and spices are not just for flavor. They act as subtle yet potent medicine. Cinnamon is known to boost insulin sensitivity. Turmeric actively curbs pancreatic inflammation. Ginger aids in overall metabolism. And fenugreek effectively slows down carbohydrate uptake, all contributing to better blood sugar control. Never underestimate the importance of proper hydration. Water effectively dilutes blood sugar concentrations, eases the workload on your kidneys, and supports the efficient flow of nutrients throughout your body. Always choose pure water or unsweetened herbal teas over sugary beverages. These foods are far more than just sources of nutrition. They are powerful allies in your journey to restore your body's natural rhythm and achieve optimal health. By incorporating them thoughtfully, you empower your body to function at its best. For individuals managing diabetes and for anyone seeking better health, embrace this smart nutritional guide. Focus on balancing protein, healthy fats, and whole, unprocessed foods to naturally lower blood sugar, maintain steady energy levels, and promote healing from within your body. Here at Harmonic Science, we firmly believe that true harmony within your body begins with every single mindful bite you take. Make conscious choices and experience the profound benefits of balanced nutrition.